Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Snapchat. If you're new to Snapchat, you're in the right place. Snapchat is a fun and interactive social media platform that allows you to share moments with friends through photos and videos. In this guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started and feel comfortable using Snapchat. Whether you want to take your first snap, add friends, or explore all the cool features Snapchat has to offer, we've got you covered. By the end of this guide, you'll be confidently snapping away and connecting with friends in no time. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of Snapchat and start sharing your life in a whole new way, let's get started. 1. Downloading Snapchat. Go to your device's respective App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. Search for Snapchat in the search bar. Once you find the Snapchat app, tap on it to open the app page. Tap on the Download or Install button to download and install the app on your device. Once the installation is complete, tap on the Snapchat icon to open the app. If you're a new user, you'll need to sign up for an account by providing your email address, creating a password, and choosing a username. If you're an existing user, simply log in with your username and password. 2. Main screen overview. Profile icon. This is where you can access your personal profile, settings, snap code, and other account-related information. You can edit your display name, manage friends, customize privacy settings, and more. Search bar. Use the search bar to find friends by their usernames, display names, or snap codes. You can also search for groups, communities, or topics of interest. Add friends icon. Tap this icon to add new friends. You can add friends by searching for their usernames, scanning their snap codes, or importing contacts from your device. Camera switch. Toggle between the front-facing and rear-facing cameras by tapping on the camera switch icon. This allows you to switch between taking selfies and capturing what's in front of you. 3. Taking photos or videos. Capture button. Tap the large circular button at the bottom of the screen to capture a photo. Hold down the button to record a video. Filters and lenses. Swipe left or right on the screen to browse through various filters, effects, and augmented reality lenses. These filters can change the appearance of your photos or videos in fun and creative ways. Editing tools. After capturing a snap, you can enhance it using various editing tools. These include adding text captions, doodles, stickers, bitmojis, emojis, and links. You can also adjust the snap's duration, resize it, or apply additional filters. Sending snaps. Add to story. Share your snap on your story. A collection of snaps that are visible to all your friends for 24 hours. Your story allows you to share moments from your day with your entire Snapchat network. 4. Send to friends. Alternatively, you can send your snap directly to specific friends or groups. Simply select the friends you want to send the snap to, and it will be delivered to them individually. 5. Chatting. Chats. Swipe right from the camera screen to access your chats. Here, you can send and receive text messages, photos, videos, and audio messages with your friends. Chats are private conversations between you and one or more friends. Group chats. Create group chats with multiple friends to chat together in a single conversation. You can add or remove participants, change the group's name and icon, and customize notifications for group chats. 6. Location features. Snap Map. Pinch the camera screen to access the Snap Map, which displays the locations of your friends on a map. If your friends have chosen to share their locations, you can see where they are in real time. You can also explore featured events, stories, and public snaps from around the world. 7. Discovering content. Stories. Swipe left from the camera screen to view your friends' stories. are collections of snaps that your friends have posted and are available for 24 hours. You can view their photos and videos, reply to them, and send them messages. Discover. Swipe one more time to the left to access Discover, where you can explore curated content from publishers, creators, and the Snapchat community. Discover features a wide range of content, including news, entertainment, fashion, beauty, and more. 8. Additional features. Memories. Save your favorite snaps and stories to Memories, where you can revisit them later. Memories acts as a personal archive of your Snapchat content, allowing you to organize, edit, and share your saved memories. Snapstreaks. Snapstreaks are special emojis that appear next to certain friends' names in your chat list. They indicate the number of consecutive days you've exchanged snaps with that friend. Maintaining a snap streak requires sending and receiving snaps every day to keep the streak alive. Filters. Snapchat offers a wide range of filters that allow you to enhance your photos and videos with visual effects, color adjustments, and stylized overlays. These filters can be based on your location, the time of day, special events, holidays, and more. 9. Settings and privacy. Privacy settings. Manage your privacy settings to control who can contact you, view your story, see your location on the Snap Map, and more. You can adjust these settings to customize your Snapchat experience and ensure your privacy and security. Notification settings. Customize your notification settings to receive alerts for new messages, story updates, friend requests, and other activities. You can choose to enable or disable notifications for different types of events and control how often you receive notifications. Keeping Snapchat. 10. Updated. Regularly check for updates in the App Store to ensure you have the latest version of Snapchat installed on your device. Updates often include new features, improvements, bug fixes, and security enhancements. Keeping your app up to date ensures that you have access to all the latest features and capabilities. By exploring and utilizing these features and options, you can make the most of your Snapchat experience and stay connected with friends in creative and engaging ways.